Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 6 trades. Today's date is June the 8th and I'm using my new PIP trigger trading system. This one uses the Hull moving average along with this goal line and some oscillators down at the bottom. I added about 4 months after I did the videos, I added the super signal indicator. That's these colored arrows. If you want to know more information about the different packages, all you have to do is look right below this video. So it does give an audio sound and a pop-up alert whether you should be buying and or selling. Now every morning at 6 o'clock I'm in front of the computer right where this vertical line is, and I'm looking at all the different instruments here. And of course I'm taking a look at my daily trade plan. So we can take a look at that. Now this is a screenshot from earlier. Now my daily trade plan is telling me or suggesting whether I should be buying and or selling. And so I took all of these trades based on my daily trade plan. If you're trading with no daily trade plan, well, that's one very good reason why you are failing. If you have any questions about this daily trade plan, or any questions at all, just Skype me. So I bought all these different instruments at various times here, and I closed them all out around the same time, just before 11 a.m. New York time, or the London close, same thing. So now we can get into these trades. First one is the pound New Zealand. Let's see where I got in at. Click here, drag and drop it up. Now remember, this is the way the market moves. It does spike back and forth, but my daily trade plan said to buy. It just came back here and tested this area of support. And once I saw this hammer here, I knew I was going to be in the money. So I took the trade at this cursor, had to wait for it to finish another cycle, and I closed it out, looks like with 22 pips at a good, and that paid out $140. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the Dow Jones. This one pays $5 for each tick, so let's see where I got in at. Got in at this point, and that's the way the market moves. Cycle down, cycle up, cycle down, cycle up. Daily trade plan says to buy. So that's exactly what I did. I bought it. Now I took the money and divided it by 5. Calculator says it should be 47 ticks. There it is right there, 47 ticks, and that ended up paying out $235. Moving on to the next trade, which is the NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick. I dropped it down to the 5 minutes so I can get a good reading on it. Let's drag and drop this up. Now I generally close out the trades once I see that I have at least minimum 200 pips and or ticks or more, and usually I'm done, usually between 9 and 10, but I got sidetracked today talking to a trader, so not a big deal though. Took me a little bit longer, and as I waited a little bit longer, I ended up making some more pips. So took the trade. Let's see where I got in at. Right at this point with a couple of blue arrows in here. Everything screaming down at the bottom, gonna go up. If I stayed in the trade, would have made a lot more, around 82 more. But I was happy at this point. Close it out with a winner. Look, now pays $20, so that tells me right away it's just under 20. So calculator says it's 19.6. It looks like that's about as close as what I'm going to get. I'm just going to round it up 19.6. Let's just round it up a little bit to 20. So 20 ticks ended up paying out $392. Moving on to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. Wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow. I manually put this in directly from the daily trade plan. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. As I mentioned, does cycles, came back and tested this bottom. So keep in mind a 10 or 20 tick stop will not hold. You have to give it more room to move. So I took the trade at this point. Now I took the money divided by 5 and the calculator says 85 ticks. All the way up to the top up there is 220 approximately. But I was happy with the 85. There it is right there. 85 ticks, and that paid out $425. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro CAD. Bought it according to the daily trade plan. And let's see where I got in at. When I pulled the trigger, qualified for a great way to trade. This was pretty good trade actually. Got in at this point, and I closed it out at this point. Looks like with 68 pips, and those 68 pips paid out $516. Moving on to the next trade, the pound dollar. This one pays $10 for each pip because the USD is on the right hand side. So on this pound dollar, let's see where I got in at. And another one that did qualify for a great way to trade. Looks like it went straight up. Buy signal here. I knew it was going to go up because that's what the daily trade plan was telling me. And so I pulled the trigger here. Now, since it pays $10, looking at the money, this should be 62 pips, and there it is right there, 62, and that ended up paying out $620. So another great day of trading using my pip trigger. I added up all the pips and the ticks, and I knew it was going to be over 200. The grand total came to 304 pips and ticks, and that ended up paying out $2,328. So if your system's not producing like my pip trigger, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. So if you want to get in contact with me, all you have to do is look right below this video. So as I mentioned, right below this video, you will see this button right here that says show more. All you got to do is click on it. Opens up another window. And as I mentioned earlier, I prefer Skype. So all you got to do is click on this link right here. We'll have Skype connection, and I can answer your questions. Even if you think you don't have Skype, if you have a computer, you have Skype. All you got to do is click on this link. Here's 4 things you need to succeed. You need all 4 of these. So, and plenty of it, believe me. Now, of course, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Now, there's 4 different packages. I do charge $250 each. I recommend getting all 4 packages. Have a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 package for free. Now the training videos, there's a lot of training videos in package 1 and 2, 22 here and 20 here, up to 30 minutes long each one. Keep in mind that the PIP trigger system does not include the super signal indicator, as I got the super signal indicator 4 months after I put the training videos together. That comes in the Easy Trader system with the super signal indicator. 3 and 4 has 4 training videos each. And of course, I give plenty of advanced trading tips in this package, How I Trade Live. So if you scroll down, you'll see each package and what I teach. Here it is here. The more that you learn, the better you will become as a trader. And remember, after you buy from me, you more than likely will have questions, and I do give support. And without support, many traders will still fail at trading. You need all the support you can get your hands on. So that was the first package. Second package, what I'm teaching, the Daily Trade Plan Expert Advisor, the Easy Trader System. Now, if you want to get in contact with me, simple, you can pick up the phone and call me. Or you can send me an email. Here's my email address. I'm in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. And of course, here's the link again for the Skype contact. So, just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.